According to sources, the construction of road connecting Jilangso and Bordeka-Timung village under Arnamlangpi Deopani constituency had initiated from the Grand Memorandum of Settlement. Local residents inform that the road is a lifeline to nearly 20 villages and the construction of the road was the long-standing demand of the villagers. And this time around, their demands turned into a reality. As the road was in a pathetic and deplorable condition, the villagers had to face a lot of consequences. The road is filled with mud during summer and dust during winter. It was informed that the road would be 12 feet wide and 8-inch thick, and the total length of the road that would be constructed is estimated to be 10 kilometers in total from Jilangso to Bordeka-Timung village. It was informed that the budget allotted for the project is 11 crores and the subcontractor of the project is Lakhindra Bora from Golaghat under the supervision of Dr. Turiram Ronghang, CM of KAAC. Locals, while speaking to us, said they were happy and excited as the dream of good road finally turned into reality. But they are also concerned as the sand used for the construction was not of the best quality. Therefore, they requested the concerned authority to use the best quality of sand for the construction. Anantarang's report from Bokhajan for Karbi Anglong Live.